Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I'm just getting ready to make the Friday freebies, and I wanted some little tassels to go with them this week. So I thought I'd show you how I make them, because I won't do it in the video on Friday. So I thought I'd do a quick video to show you now. You probably know how to make them, but there might be a few of you that don't. Now, I'm using some embroidery thread, but again, you can use anything. I've made a couple of ones with different stuff. This is a beautiful thread, really pretty, and it's got tiny little sequins in it as well. So that's really pretty. So do make it out of anything that you've got. And this one I've just made with a few little scrap pieces of pink ribbon, and I think that looks really pretty. So I'm going to make a yellowy one because I need this one. So this gives you a quick peek into what sort of colours we're going to be using on Friday. Nice summery colours, something nice and bright. So I'm just going to unwind some of this. So let's just pop these out of the way. Now I've got a piece of card. Now this card is 2 inches or 5 centimeters. It doesn't matter what the width is, it's this piece that you need to know. So, but again, you can make them as big or small as you like. Now I'm going, oh, I was going to sneeze again then, dear. So I'm going to just take a length. This is just to do the little top bit, the little hangy bit. So I'm just going to take a piece of that. This is just packaging. And I'm just going to pop it. It's quite nice actually because it's got like a little ridge at the top. So I'm just going to pop that along the top like that. And then I'm going to wrap this round, I don't, 10-15 times. It depends how thick you want your little tassels to be. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. So I shall do that 15. And then what I'm going to do is just take the 2 top pieces and just tie them in a little knot, just to hold all of those together like that. Again, you can mix all the threads together and make nice pretty colourful ones. So I'm just going to tie this in a little knot for the top piece. Oops, that wasn't very good, was it? Didn't quite make this long enough. Make it a little bit longer. Let's just tie that in a little knot. And then I'm going to just cut that bottom piece like that. So that's our a little tassel like that. So I'm going to take another piece. And we want to just do it so we got this bit where we wrap around it, so it's sort of a bit more tassel-y. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to pop that along the bottom. I'm just going to have it a little bit longer like that. So this is your top, so hold it nice and tight. And then what we want to do is wrap this around. So we'll wrap it around 3 or 4 times like that. And then we will take this end. It's better to have this piece dangling a bit longer, then you know which piece you need it to tie off. So take that, just tie that in a little knot like that, and then these pieces can dangle down with it. So we've got a lovely little tassel, and then we just cut the ends off like that and make it all neat and tidy. So how simple is that? So you've got a lovely little tag, not a tag, a tassel, which are lovely. So I'm going to be using these to go with our Friday freebie this week, and I love them. So quick and simple and easy little tassels. All right guys, thanks so much for joining me. Please take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right guys, bye bye.